A good gaming headset can turn a mediocre gaming session into a great one. Your headset can determine if you get that one last kill or if you die one kill off that big streak you've been grinding for. Needless to say, you want to have the best gaming headset in the lobby in order to have an edge over your opponents. Today we will review the Astro A50 wireless gaming headset. This review will give you an overall idea of the basic features of the Astro A50 headset, which makes it different from other headsets and gives you an edge over your competition. Also, this review highlights the main advantages and disadvantages of buying the Astro A50 headset. The most notable feature of the Astro A50 headset is the base station. The base station allows for wireless connectivity and also charges the already long-lasting lithium-ion battery. The Astro A50s can last for over 15 hours without needing to be charged. The Astro A50s are compatible with both Xbox One as well as PS4. Just make sure you purchase the correct model, and either will work with PC. The best part about the Astro A50 headset is the superb sound quality. For a $300 gaming headset, you would expect some amazing audio quality, and that is exactly what you get. The lows hit hard and the highs are crisp and extremely clear, allowing you to hear enemy footsteps and pinpoint their exact location. The 2019 edition of the Astro A50s run on Dolby Audio or their in-house Astro Audio V2. Both are simply fantastic and will not disappoint. The Astro A50s are also mod kit ready. You can currently get noise-canceling synthetic leather headphone covers that are even more comfortable than the already comfy cloth covers. Just simply pop out the covers from their magnets and swap them out for the noise-canceling leather ones. One unique feature of the Astro A50 headset is the included Astro Command software. This software is free for all users and allows the users to truly customize their audio. You can change everything from EQ levels to balancing audio from your game and your voice chat. I've used this a ton, and let me say it is simply amazing and leaves you with infinite customization options for your sound. The only disappointing part about the Astro A50s is the mic quality. While this is not an issue for most and the mic is not horrible by any means, I definitely expected more from a $300 headset. The mic is not as crisp or as clear as I would have liked, but the flip to mute function is incredibly convenient. In conclusion to this review over the Astro A50 headset, it is a fantastic headset with amazing audio quality, long-lasting comfort, and an amazing battery life. The mod kit ready feature opens up the door for some cool and interesting customization options. The major drawback for this headset, however, is the price tag. While it is worth it if you can afford the $300 price tag, and I would highly recommend it if you can, it is hard to justify spending that much on just a headset. Nevertheless, I would recommend this headset to the hardcore gamer looking for an edge over the lobby, to the music enthusiasts who want an amazing headset that can rattle them with bass. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the Astro A50s on Amazon with the link in the description.